Mismatched expectations. Sometimes the frustration arises from expecting others to think or behave in a certain way. When individuals fail to meet these expectations, it can lead to a perception of incompetence or foolishness. Communication breakdowns. Misunderstandings and poor communication can contribute to the feeling of being surrounded by idiots. Different communication styles, language barriers, or lack of clarity in conveying ideas can lead to frustration and a sense of incompetence. Cognitive bias. It's human nature to be biased, and cognitive biases can create a distorted view of others' abilities. Confirmation bias, where we tend to notice and remember information that confirms our pre-existing beliefs, can contribute to the feeling that everyone else is less intelligent. Stress and overwhelm. High stress levels or feeling overwhelmed can affect our perception of others. When individuals are under pressure, they may make mistakes or overlook details, leading to a sense of incompetence. Differing perspectives. People have diverse backgrounds, experiences, and perspectives. What may seem like idiocy to one person might be a result of different priorities, values, or cultural norms. Recognizing and appreciating these differences can reduce the perception of others as foolish. Lack of empathy. Failure to understand others' viewpoints or empathize with their situations can contribute to the belief that they are incompetent. Developing empathy can help in understanding the reasons behind people's actions and decisions. Social comparison. Constantly comparing oneself to others can foster a negative perception. If the focus is on highlighting others' shortcomings rather than recognizing their strengths, it can contribute to the feeling of being surrounded by idiots. Intellectual arrogance. Holding an overly high opinion of one's intellectual abilities can lead to a dismissive attitude towards others. This intellectual arrogance can create a barrier in understanding and appreciating the strengths of those around you. Insecurity. Insecure individuals may project their feelings of inadequacy onto others, perceiving them as less competent. Addressing personal insecurities and building self-confidence can lead to a more positive and understanding perspective of those around you.